Fall has arrived, and I'm here to show you how you can transform your home from summer to fall. Time to put away your flip-flops and trade them in for some boots. Light linens and white florals were great for summer nights, but it's time to spice things up with some warm fall textures. Let's get started. The key is to set an overall relaxing atmosphere. We achieve this by switching from blue hues to a more earthy color palette. 'Tis the season for fall foliage and pumpkins galore, but you don't have to overdo it with the decor. Small touches of these neutral colored elements throughout our space will help you achieve this fall look. And what better way to stock up your kitchen cart than with fall treats? Create a simple centerpiece by pairing pumpkins and a lantern with some seasonal florals. Switching from sheer drapes to soft gray curtains was a subtle but impactful choice. Don't forget to give your walls some attention. Have your artwork and other accessories match your fall palette. Swap out your bright colored rug with something that has more earth tones to make a dramatic difference. Bookshelves are very versatile. Adding seasonal greenery and warm candles turns this media center into a focal point. Since the hot days are over, turning this bar cart into a coffee cart will keep all your guests warm. Now the only thing left to do is cozy up and admire your design. Happy decorating!